Are you late to your CFA exam preparations? Let me be clear and honest. Starting late is not something I'd recommend. But let's work with what we've got. The CFA Institute suggests dedicating about 300 hours for the Level 1 exam. Got only 2 months left? Then you're looking at roughly 6.25 hours daily, 6 days a week. Tough? Yes. Impossible? Absolutely not. Let's dive into strategies to maximize your success. I'm leaving you to my charming AI helper to walk you through them.
Welcome, future CFA charter holders. If you're late to the game, we have some valuable advice for you in the following areas. 1. Pick your battles. Prioritize topics. 2. Quality over quantity. Study efficiently. 3. Time management. Make a plan and stick to it. 4. Mind and body. Your most important assets. 5. Maximizing your odds. Ace the exam. The CFA Level 1 exam covers a wide array of topics, but they're not all weighed equally. High-weight areas are, for instance, ethics and professional standards and financial reporting and analysis. Ethics, in particular, is crucial. It's heavily emphasized, and performing well here can be a significant advantage. But remember, don't entirely neglect lower-weighted topics. Strike a balance, but lean more towards areas that give you a higher return on investment for your time. Grab a pen and paper or open up a spreadsheet. It's time to make a personal difficulty ranking of the exam topics. Here's a quick rundown. These are the 2023 CFA Level 1 topics and their corresponding weights. Now, rank these topics from easy to difficult based on your own understanding and comfort level. Done? Good. Next, prioritize the easier topics that hold more weight in the exam. But again, and this is crucial, you can't ignore any topic. You need to aim for at least a 70% score on average in each topic to have a solid shot at passing. Now, it's time to get rigorous with planning. With limited time, a detailed and strict study schedule is your ally. If you only started studying 2 months before exam day, we recommend you to set a goal of 6.25 focused study hours per day, 6 days a week. Plan each day's study topics and objectives to maximize your coverage and revision. Sticking to this plan is essential. Avoid distractions, maintain your focus, and if you find yourself falling behind, immediately strategize on how to get back on track. Remember, consistency and dedication will be your best friends in this crunch time. Tailor your approach based on your strengths and weaknesses. If a high-weight topic is a strong suit, great. If not, it deserves more of your focused study time. In essence, modify the topic weights to create a customized study plan, ensuring that it's meticulously tailored to enhance your areas of strength and improve upon weaknesses. Maximizing the efficiency of your study hours is key, especially when time is not on your side. Let's explore powerful strategies to focus on your study quality instead of quantity, making every moment count. First, let's dive into the bottom-up approach, which flips the traditional study method. You can refer to a previous video which you can access through clicking on the card that appears in the top right corner for more details on this approach. In essence, instead of starting with exhaustive study materials, begin with mock exams and work your way up. This approach allows you to save a significant amount of time as opposed to the top-down approach, where you start with reading the full materials. After the mock exams, transition into reviewing summaries of each topic. These concise overviews will help reinforce key concepts, streamlining your revision process. If uncertainties or gaps in knowledge persist after engaging with the summaries, that's when you delve deeper into the comprehensive study materials for a more robust understanding. Next, embrace active learning techniques. Don't just passively read or highlight texts. Instead, interact with the content, ask questions, engage in discussions, or even try teaching the concepts to yourself or others. By participating in study communities, your active involvement enhances retention and understanding. Speaking of communities, there's a wealth of CFA study groups worldwide that you can join. These communities are crucibles of shared knowledge, insights, and mutual encouragement, proving instrumental in amplifying your preparation strategy. Lastly, make optimal use of all available study resources and practice exams. They are invaluable in providing varied perspectives, clarifying concepts, and familiarizing yourself with the exam format, aiding in the enhancement of your overall exam strategy and confidence. When harnessing the power of available study resources, creativity can be your ally. For example, a resource blending the essences of active learning with vital exam-focused content is the CFA Level 1 Crash Course from Wallstreet Notes. This course is intricately designed to cater to the intense preparation phase, making it an ideal ally in your last-minute preparation journey. And here's a sweetener to help you in your critical prep time. You can snag a 10% discount on the crash course by subscribing through the link in the description below. It's a thoughtful way to elevate your preparation, ensure content mastery, and walk into the examination room with confidence. Remember, it's about studying smart. Strategic, focused study sessions paired with the best utilization of resources and techniques are your weapons to conquer the CFA Level 1 exam, despite the time constraints. Now let's delve into one of the most crucial elements of your last-minute CFA Level 1 exam preparation: time management. Every second in your study schedule counts, and we must optimize it for productivity and efficacy. Here's how to make every moment work in your favor. Remember, while we are in a time crunch, cramming is not our friend. Cramming might feel productive in the short term, but it's not conducive to long-term retention of information, which is what we need to pass the CFA exam. Instead, let's adopt a more strategic and organized approach. Break your study materials down into manageable chunks, aligning them with your personalized priority rankings. Plan your study sessions with a focus on mastering one section at a time, blending review with practice questions to solidify understanding. Ensure that each study session has specific objectives and goals to maintain direction and purpose. You can base those on the official learning outcomes that the CFA Institute states for each topic. Given our limited time frame, we must maximize productivity in every study session. Here's where disciplined focus and elimination of distractions become crucial. Create a study environment that's conducive to concentration. Silence your phone, log out of social media, and minimize unrelated browser tabs. Make your study materials your constant companion. Utilize online resources that are easily accessible on the go, allowing you to seize every opportunity to study, be it on a train or in a cafe. Embrace creativity in your study methods. For instance, ponder over a formula or concept just before taking a walk or a shower. Transform passive moments into active learning opportunities by verbally revisiting study material, turning mundane moments like shower time into productive study sessions. Be mindful of your energy and attention levels. Schedule challenging topics when your concentration is at its peak, leaving review and practice questions for when your energy may be waning. Everyone has a unique rhythm when it comes to productivity. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to when the best study time is. It truly depends on your personal biorhythms. You might be an early bird who's most alert in the mornings, or a night owl who hits their stride in the evening hours. Tailor your study schedule to align with the times you naturally feel most focused and energized. Let's briefly touch on an often overlooked yet vital aspect of exam preparation: taking care of your mind and body. Your well-being isn't just essential for health, it's a cornerstone for effective studying and exam success. My number one rule while studying was always, find time for activities you love and are passionate about, despite a tight schedule. Whether it's sports, music, or art, engaging in these activities can refresh your mind, restore your energy, and enhance your study efficiency. Also consider quick stress-relieving activities like brief walks or short yoga sessions. These can help manage stress, keeping you balanced and focused. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Regular sleep and short study breaks enhance memory, comprehension, and overall performance. A well-cared-for mind and body are pivotal for achieving your best in the CFA Level 1 exam. Keep them in sync to optimize your study and exam performance. Now let's hone in on strategies to optimize your performance on exam day. Applying smart exam techniques can be the difference between passing and failing, especially when you're racing against the clock. Check out a previous video where I delved deeply into effective methods for handling multiple choice questions for the CFA exam. In addition to the strategies in that previous video, you can consider prioritizing questions based on your strengths and the weightings you've established, answering the most favorable ones first. It's about earning every possible point within the limited time. Equip yourself with these essential exam strategies to elevate your performance on the big day.
So, future charter holders, here's a quick recap. Prioritize topics based on their weights and your comfort level. Employ a bottom-up approach. Leverage active learning and available resources. Meticulously plan your time, and don't forget to do things you feel passionate about. And lastly, fine-tune your exam-taking strategies to maximize your odds of success. Remember to check out my previous video for a deeper dive into exam strategies, which will appear on the end screen. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you find my content useful, and hit the bell so you'll be the first in line to know of any updates. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Best of success with your exams, and next time, consider starting your studies earlier.